science experiment take 743. We're struggling this morning getting this video done correctly. So we've got a really simple science experiment I want to share with you. All you need for the science experiment is Expo markers, so dry erase markers. We have discovered that black and red and blue work the best out of all the colors. You need a glass pie plate or a glass cake pan, anything glass with a nice smooth surface will work. If you don't have glass, a little piece of aluminum foil will work too. It doesn't work the best. That's why I have it on this tray. Otherwise it makes a giant watery mess everywhere. Water and a towel to help dry stuff.
I'm scared that's going to fall off the edge.
It is pretty close to the edge. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to put the camera down. Addie's going to draw a quick picture. A simple picture, because the more simple the picture is, the better. And then we're going to pour some water on it and see if we can get it to do its trick.
And it's going to draw a picture frame.
A picture frame?
Just like that.
All right, so she's got a square here, and then I'm going to draw a spider just to see if we can get the spider to do what it's supposed to do too. That looks like a sun, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Drawing skills. Now, oh. I wonder why that black one's not working. Maybe I didn't let it dry enough. We'll try one more black one here after we let get Addie's square up.
Don't pour it.
If I pour it too fast, then it makes a mess. But this pie pan's got it kind of... Nope, don't touch it. Trying to get the water over it here. There we go. So, as you can see, her square is still connected, although it is loose. It's not on the pie pan anymore. Very interesting, huh? And if you touch the water with your Expo marker, it will ruin your marker and it won't write. So do not touch the water with your Expo marker. I'm going to try another spider. Actually, let's try a person on our pan. Should we try a person on the pie plate?
Yeah.
Okay, can I scoot everything over here a little bit? So there's his head and his arm, or his body and his arms and his legs. We'll let this dry for just a hot minute here because I think that's what went wrong with our spider. Okay.
And you can see it drying.
You can see it drying. So when you're looking at it and you can see it drying, what's happening is, and the Expo marker is made out of some alcohol stuff, some chemical stuff, and some pigment, which is also the coloring. So what's happening is when you can see it drying, the alcohol is evaporating. So it's just leaving the pigment on the pie plate. And then the water can wiggle its way underneath that pigment and hopefully pull it up. I'm gonna let this one, I can see his leg is kind of coming up here.
What's that beeping sound?
It's Miss Betsy calling for you. You can call her back in a minute.
Yeah.
Come on, little guy, pull up. Maybe we need more water. Oh, I broke him. Then I get impatient.
Maybe a little too much water.
That might have been a little bit too much water. It's kind of crazy because these videos seem to always work on Facebook.
But not
So
here.
here's a challenge. I challenge you to try to do this today at your house and see if you can make it work.
No, we should have did it the first time.
I know. The very first time we did it today, we did it with a blue marker. We'll try it one more time with a blue marker.
Make it nice and flat.
And it worked super duper good. Like we had it dancing all over the tray. It was wild. Yep. We didn't let it dry again or something. There's got to be some sort of happy medium, huh? And that didn't work either, huh? So, here's a lesson. Not everything you can see for science experiments works, right? And sometimes they work for you and sometimes they don't. Like the very first time we did it, it worked great. And now we cannot replicate it. We cannot do it again. So our challenge is to challenge you to try this experiment and see if you can get it to work. Good luck.
I can't believe